Need some royalty-free music for your next video? Don't worry, because in this tutorial I'll show you how to access YouTube's audio library on your mobile device. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, kindly go to any web browser of your choice. Now tap and search for YouTube Studio. Select the first website. As you can see, we now have access to all the music in our YouTube audio library. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.